This will be a quick one. Hello guys, have you ever wondered if your email or your social media account has been hacked or compromised? Well, today I'll be showing you a free tool to check if your email or your phone number has been exposed in a hack. Now you might be asking yourself, why does it matter? Well, as we know, hackers often steal private data from websites like your email, your password. Now we all know all social media accounts you own are being opened with an email address. Now a breach or a compromise could put all those accounts at risk. So the tool we're using today is Have I Been Pwned. This is like a website also that checks if your email or your phone number has been involved or exposed in a hack. So this tool, I know that some of you may have heard of it and some of you may not have. But regardless, I'm sure after watching this video, you will learn a thing or two. Okay, so first of all, we're going to be going to the site haveibeenpwned.com, as you can see here. The pwned is spelled P-W-N-E-D. And when you get to the site, you see a search bar here. You can put in your email address, but I'll be using a fake email for you in this case, and you press pwned. Now, as you can see, if you see "Oh no, pwned," it means your email has been exposed to a breach, and here it has been exposed in 23 data breaches. Now, it will list out the breaches you have been pwned in or exposed to. Dropbox, MyHeritage, 23 of them. And also it will tell you about the incident and what has been compromised. As you can see, your email address and the password. The email address and the password has been compromised. Same thing, here was your IP address and your username. So it will give you the incident and the particular data that was compromised. And one good thing about this site is that you can check for your domain. Let's say if you have a website, you can check for it. You can check for the history of sites that has been breached or be hacked, that are not to fall prey and give in your details, so that attackers will not be able to get your details from a hacked site. So you can also check your password, to know if it has been compromised. Let's check for an email that has not been compromised. Let me try my own email. Let's say is here to stay at gmail.com. It's loading. Now you can see good news, no pawnage found. So it means that this email is safe and there has not been any compromise. We have another tool here known as databridge.com that is like an alternative to Have I Been Pwned. And I think it's kind of better because here you have more things to search for, like your name, your phone number, even your SSN, such as social security number. Let's try with my name first. Let's see. Okay, it's loading. So, and you can also check for latest breaches. The latest breaches will give you all the breaches. Whoa! So it's saying that my data has been leaked 24 times, and look at different sites, Wattpad, Apollo, and the rest. Well, and look at the dates included. And I'm not sure if I've gone to these sites before, so I don't know how, aside from Facebook and LinkedIn. Let me try including my middle name and see. So it says no result found, I'm safe. Well, thank God for that. Let's try a phone number. If you have to use your country code, and I'm in Nigeria, so I'm using +234. So let's see if my number is compromised. It also shows no result found. It means I'm safe. So that is it. I think this is kind of better than and everything. So that's it. You've gotten yourself a free tool to check for breaches. Now, if you've used this tool before, or if you know of any similar tool, you can drop it in the comment section. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cyber updates. Until next time, peace.